I'm going to show you how to quickly clean up the apps on your iPhone using new features in iOS 14. So the first thing I want to show you is how to collect them very quickly to move them. First, you just hold one and go to Edit Home Screen, grab it and pull it to the right corner, and with your other hand, select the apps you want to move. Move them where you want them, drop them, and they go all at once. Second, if you have a bunch of infrequently used apps, as you can see, I just have pages and pages and pages of apps that maybe I use once in a while, but I'm not always using these features. I'm gonna do the same thing, click and hold, Edit Home Screen, and at the bottom, this bar, I'm simply gonna select it, and you can uncheck entire screens of apps. So I can boil my app library down to just 3 screens of things that I use all the time. This is called the app library, where everything is going to be stored. All of those apps are still on your iPhone. You can still get to them. You can search for them here, and as you can see, there's even tiny versions of them. So something like YouTube, I don't necessarily need here. I can just grab it right there, or if I need to, I can come up here and look through the library. There's Amazon, and so on. I hope that was helpful. Please leave a comment and subscribe. We'll talk to you next time.